Okay, hi guys. So today we're gonna be making my favorite tea, sleepy time tea. So you're gonna need 2 tea bags. Some granulated sugar is a must to make it sweet. And this is my favorite cup, y'all. It keeps hot liquids hot and cold liquids cold. It's called Swig. Make sure you go find it at your local Target, Walmart, wherever. And you're gonna need a spoon. So you're gonna need to put some water in a pot. You don't need too much, just eyeball it, whatever works. Put the stove on high, and then you're going to just let the water boil. So in the meantime, y'all, yes, I'm gonna add a lot of sugar. That's just me. You can add however much or however little that you want. It doesn't really matter, but I like mine sweet. And all right, you guys, that's basically it. You're just gonna add your tea bags in and stir it up. It's gonna be delicious. Say hi to my little doggy Ace, my puppy, so cute. The water is boiled. You're gonna pour it in and enjoy, y'all. I promise you this tea stays hot in this cup for 24 hours.